I tested 5 top AI video generators side by side to really test which one I thought was the best. Once you actually look closely, the differences were quite dramatic. For all of the links for today's video, please check out the comments section. It'll be pinned right at the top and at the top of the video description. Let's get into it. Alright folks, so quality and price among other things really does vary, okay, when we're comparing Invideo to these other tools right now. And I'm going to basically be just showing you the raw data as to why I believe Invideo is going to be the best. When you actually normalize the cost per 8 to 10 second video across all the same models, Invideo constantly comes out far cheaper than Freepik, Artlist, OpenArt, and even Higgsfield, especially on premium and fast generation models. Freepik here has fewer models with limited output, fewer output options, and slower previews. And it comes in roughly at $1.33 per generation compared to, you guessed it, Invideo at 80 cents. Artlist, in my opinion, has just confusing menus and much slower rendering. And it's also at $1.33 on average per generation. As for OpenArt, the fragmented workflow does exist there, and separate projects are needed for multiple models. It is a little cheaper at 93 cents per generation, but still not as cheap as Invideo. And as for Higgsfield, well, it's kind of got limited collaboration and does have a few model switching issues, which I have personally experienced, and it does come in 83 cents per generation, so quite a bit cheaper, but still doesn't beat 80 cents for Invideo. Alrighty folks, so we are in the Invideo section here where we're going to be choosing the agent and model that we're going to be using. Okay, so as you can see here, we've got the different sections, videos with your basic prompt. If you want to get specific with your agents and models, and we've got the explore section here on the right side as well. So we're going to be going to agents and models. Okay, we're going to be using Sora 2 Pro. Okay, OpenAI's most realistic video model with audio character support. Okay, we're going to click on there and hit new project. All right, make it realistic. Actually, so make that realistic. Man walking through a post-apocalyptic world. Make it have series vibes. The shot can be daytime, cinematic. Also take inspiration out of scenes from Mad Max. It's pretty specific. All right, let's make this one widescreen. Make it 8 seconds. Okay, Sora 2 Pro selected, and let's hit generate. Alrighty folks, so it's all done now. So let's go ahead and press play.
Another day in the dust.
Looks pretty good to me, folks. Does have the Fallout series vibe. It is a male, it's a post-apocalyptic world, and it's definitely taken some inspiration from Mad Max. So overall, I'm pretty happy. Let me know in the comments what you think. Invideo's workflow simply keeps everything consistent and in one project. As a user, you're going to save time, reduce workflow, and a lot of friction compared to competitors. Multi-model testing, collaboration, and even asset management all happen in the one workspace. The result? Faster, smoother, cheaper, and just better all round. And most importantly, a more creative project execution, as you can see here. But guys, why don't you go ahead and test it for yourself? Run multiple clips, prompts on different platforms and test it. And you're going to find that Invideo does give you the best results. You'll immediately see the difference in speed, usability, and output quality. I would personally recommend going for the generative package here at $100 a month. I think that's really great value. Okay, you've also got the Plus at $28.50 for Max, and the Team at $8.99 per month. So to go ahead and get signed up to Invideo, the link to do it will be at the top of the video description here. Set up a really nice business with Invideo. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.